Hello everyone, welcome to my channel XII ORION. We are studying accounting for partnership firms for class 12th from the book T.S. Grewal, chapter 6, retirement of a partner. Now we will discuss when some or one of the remaining partner or partners also sacrifice. It is true that when any partner is retiring, then he is sacrificing his portion of profit to the continuing partner. But with the change in profit sharing ratio, it may also be possible that one or some of the remaining partner also sacrifice. So what will be the treatment of goodwill when the partner is retiring, at the same time one or some of the continuing partner is also sacrificing? Let us see the question. So question number 23. A, B and C were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 6:5:4. Their capitals were rupees 1 lakh, rupees 80,000 and rupees 60,000 for A, B and C respectively. On 1st April 2009, A retired from the firm and the new profit sharing ratio between B and C was decided as 1:4. On A's retirement, the goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 1,80,000. Showing your calculations clearly, pass the necessary journal entry for the treatment of goodwill on A's retirement. Now let us see. So we are having three partners in question number 23. A is to B is to C, and the ratio is 6:5:4, and A retires. So new ratio of B and C is equal to 1:4. Now let us calculate gaining ratio. We know that gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So for partner B, continuing partner B, B is equal to 1/5, that is new ratio, minus old ratio is 5/15. And for next partner C, it is 4/5 minus 4/15. So here we will get an LCM 15. 3 minus 5. Here also we will get the same 15, and it is 12 minus 4. So here we get minus 2/15, and here it is 8/15. Because we are calculating gaining ratio and the answer for B is coming minus 2/15, therefore he is not gaining, he is sacrificing. And C is gaining, but gaining and sacrificing should be equal. Here it is minus 2/15 and here it is 8/15. So here also we should get minus 8. Actually the retiring partner, that is A, when we see the A's portion, new ratio is 0 minus A's portion is how much? 6/15. So here we get minus 6/15. Because A is also sacrificing, he is leaving the firm, it means he is sacrificing his portion of profit to the continuing partner. Now we can see that gain and sacrifice are equal. Now let us see the treatment for goodwill. Now we already know that A has retired and has sacrificed his portion, and therefore out of total goodwill of the firm 1,80,000, he will get his portion, that is 72,000. But at the same time B, although B is a continuing partner, but he has also sacrificed and his sacrificing ratio is 2/15. So out of total goodwill 2/15, he will get 24,000. And who has gained in this affair? C is the only partner who has gained. So as a result, his capital account will be debited with 1,80,000 multiplied by his portion of gain, that is 8/15, so 96,000. So let us see the journal entry. C's capital account debited, 96,000 to A's capital account, which is 72,000, and to B's capital account, which is 24,000, being treatment of goodwill. I hope you have understood the concept well. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you for watching.